Do you ever feel like productivity is just slipping through your fingers? You're not alone. It's normal to feel a little brain fog with so many tasks piling up to a mountain. In a world of distractions, your brain needs something extra, something that can give it a boost like never before. But you're in luck because we're here to help you out. Did you know there are proven strategies to take control of your focus and help maximize productivity? In this video, we're going to share the top 5 powerful tips to maintain your focus and productivity, along with a little gummy secret that might be just the thing you've been looking for. So tune in and watch the video till the end for an extra secret focus hack. Let's get into it. Number 5. Use a distraction journal. One of the best ways to keep your mind focused is by writing things down. Write down every time a distraction diverts your attention, whether it's a random thought, a reminder of something to do, or just a notification. This way, you train your mind to not take action immediately. However, you acknowledge the thought by putting it on paper and don't immediately act on it. Moreover, you can identify and track common distractions over time. Ultimately, you will see patterns in what takes your attention. Once you know what normally pulls you off track, you can take action to reduce those specific triggers. Just try keeping a distraction journal for a week and notice everything it does for your focus. Number 4. Limit digital distractions. Digital distractions are the biggest reason for low productivity and an unfocused mind. We have all experienced the endless scrolling on social media at least once in our lifetime. This doom scrolling traps you in an endless loop of one more reel, distracting you from the task at hand. So, the easiest way to get rid of digital distractions is to keep them out of reach until you have finished your task. It's as simple as it gets. Keep your phone away from your workspace and make sure you don't use it until you have completed your task. Number 3. Use the 2-minute rule. The 2-minute rule is as simple as it can be. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. But the question is, why does it work so well? The thing is, little tasks build up really quickly as we don't give them much attention. These huge piles of work can then distract us from the actual task at hand and reduce our productivity. The 2-minute rule helps prevent procrastination by prompting immediate action on simple, quick wins. Apply this rule to handle minor tasks that would otherwise clutter your to-do list and mind. You'll feel less overwhelmed and your productivity will increase. So, whenever you see something small that needs attention, stop and ask, is this going to take less than 2 minutes? If it will, handle it right then and there to finish quickly. But what if you don't feel like doing even the smallest task? This is where our secret focus-boosting treat comes in. Let me introduce you to the Mojo Focus Gummies. These gummies can spark your boring day with an electrifying boost of energy and focus, along with a burst of eccentric flavors. The Mojo Gummies also go great with 2-minute rule to keep you in the zone. Visit www.mojo.shop now and stay super productive all day. Now that you're ready to supercharge your focus, let's keep that productivity momentum going with more powerful focus strategies. Number 2. Practice the Pomodoro technique. For those who find themselves daydreaming in the middle of tasks, the Pomodoro technique could be your best friend. This technique allows you to balance work and rest in a structured way. To use it, first select a task you want to focus on, then set a timer for 25 minutes. This will be one Pomodoro. Work on the task until the timer goes off and then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this 4 times, then reward yourself with a longer break. This technique is a fun and low-pressure way to stay focused. By working in short sprints, it becomes easier to dodge distractions and stay engaged. Number 1. Prioritize tasks with the Eisenhower matrix. If your to-do list is as long as your arm, figuring out where to start can be overwhelming. That's where the Eisenhower matrix comes in. Human beings naturally tend to work better for important and urgent tasks, so identifying your top priority tasks might just break the ice. To use this technique, categorize your tasks into urgent and important, not urgent and important, urgent and not important, and not urgent and not important groups. These 4 groups will help you identify the tasks with maximum importance. Complete each task group with the order we just discussed and speedrun your to-do list in a jiffy. By using the Eisenhower matrix, you'll spend less time on things that don't really matter and focus on tasks that drive your goals forward. This is especially useful when you're swamped with work and don't know where to begin. Now that you know how to manage your workload, let's discuss how to get the focused energy to complete your work in a jiffy. The key is the Mojo Gummies. These focus gummies are delicious treats that are packed with brain-boosting ingredients to help you concentrate without that midday slump. Mojo Focus Gummies also come in multiple flavors, making it easy to find one that suits your taste. Each gummy is formulated with a blend of vitamins, minerals, and natural ingredients that work together to enhance your brain's performance. Think of it as a tasty little brain booster that you can pop whenever you need an extra push. So, whenever you start to feel that dip in your energy, instead of reaching for another coffee or a sugary snack, just pop a Mojo Mojo Focus Gummy. And in a matter of seconds, you're back in the field, ready to tackle whatever's next on your list with no jittery sugar crash later on. So if you're serious about leveling up your focus, Mojo Focus Gummies are just what you need. Visit our store at www.mojo.shop and grab a pack today to kick the brain fog out the curb with flavors like the buzzy strawberry tangerine, sweet and sour blueberry lavender, the cynical yuzu and lime, and many more.